Okay, so to get started, we are going to open our Pixellab. This is how the Pixellab will look like. Going to open the Pixellab and change the background color. That's it. We change the background color. We import our image. This is our image. When we import our image, drag make it, yes, drag to the edge, yes, delete this, make it a little bit smaller, yes, I think this is okay. So that our text, black, okay, increase the size, change the font, stars, black is deleted the X, capital letter, black is centralize, move it to this side, move it with our, yeah, I think this is okay. I'll move it a little bit, yeah, this is okay, good. Black is good, so increase the size, reduce it a little bit, looking like this. Black is good, yeah, it's looking like this. Black is good. Let's add a texture to this text, add a background of gold, yeah, let's search for it. This is it, and this is it. This, so you can see texture is applied. Click the check button. Black is gold. This is a great color combination. So let's add beauty pageant. Beauty pageant. Beauty pageant, yes, add it, reduce the size, it's okay like this, 20, and use our move it move, yeah, take it up a little bit, take it up a little bit. Let's change the font. Let's change the font of this. We need to change the font. Let's change it to this. Yeah, look like this. This is okay. This is good. This is great. Okay, so let's add a shape. Let's add a shape. Let's add a shape. Reduce it a little. Yeah, like this. Just a line. Just need a line. A line. See, we add a line. Drag it up. Drag it up. Up this. This is okay. This is good. This is good. Let's add a text. Register. Register. Oh, yeah, register. How to register? Let's add to register. To register. To register. We need to change this spot. No. We'll change the color of this. Let's reduce the size. I think this is okay. Yeah, use our tool. Drag to the up, move up to register. Call. Add your phone number to it. You add your phone number. Add the phone number. I think that's it. Just add the phone number. Let's reduce the size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size to maybe 20. I think we should make it bigger. I think it's okay like this. Let's add texture to this before we move on. Let's add texture to this before we move on. The same texture we use for that, the gold texture, the gold background, sorry. So we're going to add it to the text. Okay, this is it. Let's just so that this centralize it. Let's central align. Yeah, align it to the center. This call. Yeah, I think this is great. To register call. Yeah, I think this is okay. This is okay. This is great. This is looking good. Our design is looking great. Okay, so let's add this other text. The date. Let's add the date. Add the date. Yes, this is date here. Date. Move. Drag it downward. Let's move it downward. And remove it also. The arrow key. Okay, this is okay like this. Is okay. So let's reduce the size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. Then it's okay. Look at this. Add the date. Just any date. August 10, 2022. September. That's September. First, 2022. I think she just did it. Okay, yes, add this 4th, 2022. This move down, reduce the size. Yeah, increase it a little bit. Increase. It's okay like this. Let's reduce the date. I think this 22 is okay. 20. Just move it a little bit downward. Upward. Yeah. Move downward. Yeah, this is okay like this. Move a little bit. Increase the size. Increase the size a little bit. And move a little bit backward. Okay, this is looking good. Let's include a texture to it. Our background from the other time should include it to this text. Yeah, this is it. Include it to the text. It look fine like this. Let's yeah. That also. So we add the sponsors. Let's add the sponsors. So this is a sponsor. Before that, let's create a shape. Let's create a shape to a white shape. Let's drag, make it contain all the page. So we're going to add our sponsors again. Centralize. So we should add our sponsor here. Move to the front. Reduce. This is okay. Reduce it. So import our sponsors. Remaining sponsors.
Okay, let's arrange this. Move. Let's arrange all these so this is properly placed. Center. So let's arrange this. Move. Yeah, this look nice. That's all. This look nice and look great. Our design is looking nice and great. See, so don't forget to subscribe and like and share.